So, alam niyo na, anong ito. Hi guys, it's me, Kenn Rosales, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, since tagal naman ako hindi nakapag-update sa aking vlog, so karon guys, yung content natin is what inside in my bag. So kabalo na mo ana unsa na siya. Then kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and please turn on notification bell for more updates to come. So without further ado, just keep on watching. So amo na kung bag or either sling bag. since grade 12 and until now, mao gina kong ginagamit guys. Even asa ko paingon or magala-gala, di ba? So mao na akong ginabit okay. Comfortable po ani. Then isa pa, dili po siya hassle on.
Oh yes, then, Daddy.
Akong nagtapon sa sulugan. Are you excited?
Oh yes, Daddy.
So first is actually naman. So I have an Lipton. This is from Sugar guys, and the shade Peachy Smoky. So this one guys is small lang kung di gamit-gamit. Excuse me. Even if mo adto ko sa school or maglaag para po buhay po buhay po ang reps para dito basta. Then second is paper. So this is kuan siya guys sa amo ning sa TS naman sa South City. So I have 2 pesos. 2 pesos. Next is USB. So mao yung kuan guys. Akong gigamit-gamit kung na ako yung mga documents, ako yung mga subject na kailangan na may encode, mga files, hindi yun ako ginasave ako yung mga documents. So next is, this is my earphones. Actually, 50% na siya kaya ba itong my lotion. Cologne. This is from Avon. Intense Force 50 ml. Umot kinin siya guys as in super dugay siya mawala yung bako. Then siguro long lasting. Pentel pen. Pentel pen again. Sign pin. Pentel pen again. Alam niyo na anong laman.
Wow!
Ito yung coins. Kasi kanang gina-separate na po ang coins and paper. Or quarter naman. Ballpen again. So this is last. Kani guys, or kani siya sa among school, sa parents, sa sa savings account passbook sa rural bank. Then mga uban, mga paper, parents again, mga balance account. So guys, maura to guys akong what inside in my bag, and I hope you guys enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and please turn on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you guys, and God bless.